Hey guys, welcome back. Today I've got a STIHL FS38 trimmer in the shop here. Customer ran it with straight gas, did not try to hide it. He told me he did that, and you can see the straight gas in here. It's not mixed. Anyway, I'm just making the video to show you what happens when you straight gas a 2-cycle piece of equipment. The very first thing you'll notice is that when you pull it, it's very easy to pull over. And it's going to sound different. And as you've seen in many of my other videos, the best way to determine if there's damage is to actually take the muffler off and look through the exhaust port. So on your FS38, if you think this has happened, just take off the whole recoil assembly here. Just makes it easier to access the muffler that way. Then what you do is you take off the muffler. And then what you do is have a look inside, and you can see here that the piston and rings are all scored up. So what that will do is you will have no compression on your engine, and if it does manage to start all scored up like this, you're going to notice that it's weak in power, doesn't want to rev up, doesn't want to idle, and it doesn't have the power that it used to have. So those are all symptoms of a machine that has been straight gassed. So what customers often do here is, after they've realized that they've run their equipment with straight gas, is they'll dump the straight gas and put mixed gas and then tell you they didn't do that. That happens quite often. It is a breath of fresh air when a customer comes in and doesn't hide the fact that they did that. It just makes for a quicker diagnosis, and then you can tell the people that they're way better off to just buy a new machine. And because you can buy these machines for under 200 bucks, guys, it's not worth paying somebody to fix this for you. If you do it yourself and you have an aftermarket cylinder kit, or you have another machine and you make one out of the two, then that's probably worth it. But if you got to take this to a STIHL dealer and pay an arm and a leg for the labor, just forget about it, guys. Now, if you don't use your machine much and you want to avoid this problem, just get some Moto Mix. It's basically a can of fuel that is pre-mixed with oil and gas, so this doesn't happen to your machine. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day.